Welcome to this quick face swap tutorial. You can create epic pictures like this one or this one. I will show you how to do it. First, click on the link down in the description below and you will get to this page. Then you have to select the server. If you don't know how to create a server, watch this video or right over here. I will select the tutorial server and click on continue. I have to authorize it. I have to verify that I'm human. If you're a robot, skip this part as always. Now we open Discord and we can see we have InsightFace Bot on the server. Also, we have the Midjourney bot on the server. If you don't know how you can invite a bot, you just have to visit the Midjourney server on the left side. And on the right side, you can see the Midjourney bot. Right click, profile, add to server, and then choose your server. That easy. Now, so with InsightFace Swap, you have like 5 commands: swap ID, save ID, you have set ID, you have list ID, and delete all. Back to the tutorial server. I already created this picture of Elon Musk and I generated some pictures of a homeless man in the street sitting in garbage and trash. Once you invited the Faceswap bot, you have to save a new ID. So type in /saveid and then click on that. You have to give it an ID name, Elon, and then you have to attach the file. And then click on enter. If you save multiple IDs, you can switch between them. If you type in setid and then type in the ID name, setid Elon. So now we save the ID Elon and set the ID to Elon. And now if you head over to a generated picture like this homeless man in the street sitting in garbage and trash, you click on the 3 dots on the right corner, click on apps in Swapper, and then you send the command and you get a homeless Elon Musk. That easy. If you forgot which ID you created, just type in list ID. And you can see I created me, Tina, Jackson, Remy, Elon. And you also see the current ID name, Elon. Now I'll show you how you can swap 2 faces at once. First, we need a picture with 2 people. If you save a new ID, make sure you take a picture from the front of the face. Otherwise, it will look weird. If you want to swap multiple faces, type in /setid, type in the first ID and comma and the second ID. Now it will swap the faces from the left to right. So if we click on the 3 dots, click on apps in Swapper, and then it should be me and Elon sharing bread. This is me and Elon Musk sharing bread. We are both homeless. Hi Elon, if you watch this, please make sure to subscribe. One thing I have to mention, you're limited to 50 face swaps a day. You also can use this tool to create constant faces and characters with Midjourney. Finally, that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, leave a like. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.